Google may have done the impossible. They launched a native ability to build Android applications directly inside Google AI Studio for free. This seems like their biggest push ever on AI applications that you could bring to the App Store and grow their volume automatically. And now it seems like something huge is happening over here. Today, we're going to test this capability out because I have loads of ideas of applications that I want to create for my personal daily life. And this is just for Android applications. Maybe in the future they work for App Store applications, even though I think they don't actually want to do that because they want to increase their Play Store market share. And this makes a lot of sense to push out and give developers the best way to do all of this. And I think there will be a very deep integration. So prepare your mobile applications, games, whatever you want to create, because this might be the best era to just pump out applications, games on Android automatically and free. So let's test it out. You need to go to aistudio.google.com/apps. Essentially, it's the build tab over here. And you want to select the build an Android application button that is on the bottom line. All right, select it. And then what you want to do is you want to give it a prompt. So as you can see, Google's AI will give you suggestions. And in this case, I'm going to use just that. It's a daily goals application. The user essentially creates a task list that has to fulfill every day, track progress with streaks, completion percentages, and also reminders. So let's see what Google can do. And this is probably powered by Gemini 3.5 Plus Fast, which is the new model from Google that is super fast and quite capable at coding. As we have seen in the previous videos, I've thoroughly tested it out on this channel. If you haven't seen these videos, well, you should go and watch them after this one. So let's see how fast is Gemini 3.5 Fast going to work. So we already see that it has done its first tool call, read the file, responded, read the file. I wonder, let's see. So already we got a preview of the design. So this is how it's going to look like. All right, this is interesting. This is the vibrant palette. So probably I have to give some kind of response, like select the design. And we got a lot of different designs. This looks bad. This looks good. I like this as well. This is also very nice. I got no idea which design I prefer. I have no idea at all. I guess this is the best one. So select this design. So I tell it which design I like. I really didn't expect the feature. I just thought it was like, just creating stuff. But it seems like it actually does. And here we can see some tips that could improve our application. We can see it on screen here. Integrate progress visualization, gamify stuff, explore apps. Oh my God, and you just click this and you get suggestions. All right, this is pretty amazing. Like, in all honesty, I didn't expect Google to do something like that. And maybe we will do a lot of iterations trying to improve the application. Let's see what happens. I'm really excited to see the responses. Like, one of the things that I really wanted to learn lately is how to create mobile applications because it requires a lot of setup to do it on your local machine and it's so tiring. Like, select Flutter, do Expo, install all of the dependencies, 20 gigabytes of dependencies. They may work, they may not work, how to set it up, how to close it down, how to do it again, how to do this, how to do that. It's a complete mess, guys. It's a complete mess. So if Google give us the ability to at least make the Android part super easily and for free with no setup, just idea to results, well, I'm going to take this opportunity. I'm really going to. So we're 5 minutes in and it's still writing stuff. Like, it's pretty insane. And it's writing a lot of Kotlin, as I can obviously see. Some kind of XMLs going on over here. But in general, it hasn't written a lot of code. It seems like it's just making some complicated fucking documentation or whatever. Like, it's very strange. But let's see. Okay, I don't want to be the bad guy here, but what the fuck are you creating so much time? Like, it's already 5 minutes, Google. And we're using Gemini 3.5 Flash, which supposedly is very fast. Okay, so it seems like we're getting some progress. Supposedly the daily tracker is complete. But what happens now is very interesting. Our prompt about the palette is appended to the chat afterwards. So essentially, the application was created. Now the design is going to shift towards what we asked. And all right, expand the daily goals application. This is a suggestion from the AI studio. So expand the goals application by providing advanced customizable reminder options. Users should be able to set multiple reminders for each task, specifying exact times, days of the week. We're gonna remove that. And even custom reminder sounds. Implement options for different reminder frequencies. All right, I'm going to remove the weekly. I like the hourly because you might want something inside your day, and allow users to snooze or dismiss reminders easily. Let's add also the progress visualization feature for the daily apps. Create visual aids such as calendars, highlighting completed days, charts showing daily, weekly, monthly completion percentages, streak counters, and sur visualizations are easily acceptable. So this is going to be the second thing we're going to try. But first, I want to see the application with the color theme we selected. I think that's the very first step. I don't want to complicate it more than it needs to be. It's already quite complicated. And trust me, you may not think that this is complicated at all and this is a simple app. Mobile development is literally fucked up. Okay, guys, so supposedly now it's working. It asks us to allow everything. All right, so where is the application? I guess it's this one. Is it working? Stopped working. And we probably have some kind of issue. So that's interesting. Let's reload the application. It's connecting to the device. So, it did everything. It worked so hard, but the application is not working. All right. Want to open up? No. All right. Go back. It was beautiful, but none of it worked. The application is not opening up, man. Fix it. This is amazing. Another beautiful release from Google. These guys will never learn. They will never learn to ship something that is at least a little bit of quality. What the fuck is this? Okay, so actually we got the application running. I gave it all of the errors inside this space, and boom, it opened up. And here is the daily work. You can set the notifications, you see your streak, blah blah blah. This is the coach's ID or whatever. Who cares about it? Click the plus sign, create a new daily goal. Probably with this install, we can install the application on our phone, which is interesting. So let's write here gym, go to gym. We add fitness. Can we add multiple categories? No. And we set a daily reminder. Let's say I'm gonna put it at 7 o'clock, save goal, and we can see our goal over here. So when we do it, we click the check and boom, we finished it and we see the streak. On the registry, we can see the habits registry. So it's all of the habits we have. We can edit them, delete them. And on insights, we can see our progress. And whoa, that looks great. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask it, give me 3 suggestions to improve the application. So let's see what AI is going to suggest as 3 things to improve. In all honesty, the application, at least in my opinion, is ready. It's everything I ever wanted. It's everything I ever needed. And it took 30 minutes. It took a little bit of back and forth with Gemini Flash just to fix the issues, but it seems to work. And literally, it's just some copy and pasting. So I expect the newer models, and as this integration improves, that all of these issues will be fixed and will be solved. So here are the 3 suggestions it gave us. So interactive, strict heat map, and calendar. Okay, I understand that. Current, custom icons and tailored color coding for categories. Dynamic smart habit coaching. Okay, I like this. All of the 3 suggestions are very, very good. We got these tricks here, but I also like the heat map. I want you to implement all of the 3 ideas. So we're going to ask it to actually implement all of these 3 ideas. Let's see if it's going to be able to do it. I think it will. Yeah, I mean, it has already made the application. The question is, will it make it fast? Will it make it one shot, meaning instantly? Or will it require me to give it all of its errors and go back and forth with it for another 10-20 minutes just to solve any issues that arise? That's my main question, but already the results are amazing. Okay, so we got the final version of the application. I'm gonna install it also on my phone, but we fixed also the bottom bar. We got a lot of different things going on over here. We can, for example, add our thoughts at the end of the day. We got, of course, the daily chart. I have no idea how to click away from this, how to close this. Oh my God. Go back. Okay, so we got the registry where we can add new stuff. We can get inspired by AI or whatever. On insights, we got also this heat map and our journal and everything else. So it seems very, very nice, very, very cool, very, very beautiful. And guys, it works. That's the best thing out of everything. We made an application in just 1 hour with 6 prompts. We fixed everything. It required of me around 5 minutes of cognitive work to do this. In the past, this could take like a week or two for a good developer to make this, let alone test it, fix it. So you can understand how fast things are happening right now, how much progress is happening due to AI. And this is a new feature. And the model that powers it is Gemini 3.5 Plus. It's not really the best model in the world for coding, and it's only going to get better from here. Like, this is the worst it will ever be. So make sure to test it out. I think this is a revolution for mobile app development. And yeah, this is absolutely insane.